Hi! In this video, we'll show how to install the Perun Moto Large billet rack on the KTM 790 or 890 Adventure. The kit includes the billet top plate and all required mounting hardware. 4 pairs of M8 countersunk bolts in different lengths, 35, 40, 45 and 50 mm, along with the 2 9mm spacers and 4 18mm spacers. For this installation, you'll need a TX40 Torx key and a 6mm Allen key. The rack can be installed either with or without the OEM passenger grab handles, and we'll show both variants. The first part of the process is the same in both cases. Start by removing the stock rear rack. Remove the 4 bolts at the tail of the bike, then lift the OEM rack off and set it aside. Installation without the OEM grab handles will be shown first. Place the 4 longer spacers onto the mounting points on the bike. In addition, install the 2 shorter spacers on the front mounting points. Position the rack on top and hold it in place. Insert the M8x45 bolts at the front and the M8x35 bolts at the rear. Start all bolts by hand, just enough to engage the threads. Once all bolts are in place, check that everything is properly aligned, then tighten them to 20 Nm. That completes the installation. After a few rides, it's a good idea to recheck bolt torque. Now we'll show the installation with the OEM grab handles. The easiest approach is to pre-assemble the setup on a flat surface. Start by placing the short spacers on the front mounting points of the grab handles. These replace the original plastic plate. Position the billet rack on top, align the holes with the grab handles, and insert the bolts. Use M8x50 bolts at the front and M8x40 bolts at the rear. With the assembly ready, place it onto the tail of the bike. Hold both the grab handles and the rack in position while starting all 4 bolts by hand. Once everything is aligned, tighten the bolts to 20 Nm. And that's it. Your Perun Moto Large billet rack is now installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.